Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover Roblox account password. To begin the process, open the Roblox application. Once you're at the home page, you tap on login. There on the login page, you need to tap on forgot password or username. Tap that. In the forgot password or username, you choose the password option. Now you need to enter your phone number to reset your password. Tap on the drop down menu and from here you choose your country region, and then after you type in your number, then tap on submit. You can also use email to reset your password as well. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to the mobile number of yours, which you need to type in over here. You tap on the copy and then paste it over here on the text box and then tap on verify. This will verify your phone number. With this, you will be able to reset your password. Now to create a password, you do not use your old password. You will need to provide a new one. Now retype the same password and then tap on submit. Password reset success. With that, the recovery process of your Roblox account is completed. Now you can just log in with the current updated password, then tap on login. With the updated password, you have been logged in into the account. So this is how you can recover Roblox account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.